Now we will discuss criteria for congruence triangle. Now we can show two triangles are congruent with the help of some criteria. First one criteria, SAS means what? Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Suppose ABC triangle and PQR triangle. Here AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and these two sides included angle B, and these two sides included angle Q are equal to each other. That's why these two triangles are congruent by what criteria? SAS, side angle side. Side angle side. Okay, first one criteria. In this year, this one proof no need, only you have to remember the criteria. First one criteria, this one axiom 7.1 SAS congruence rule. That means two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Next one criteria, ASA means angle side angle congruence rule. Here what given? Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side one of triangle are equal to two angle and the included side of the other triangle. In previous one angle included by two sides. Here one side included by two angle. Suppose these two triangles are said to be congruent. Why? Because this one 60, this one 60, this one 40, 45, this one 45, and this one 4 same. That means these two sides, this one side and this one side included by these two equal angle. That's why these two triangles are congruent by what criteria? Angle side angle. Angle side angle means ASA. Do you understand? That means theorem 7.1, that one, another criteria, ASA, yeah, angle side angle criteria. And another criteria, AAS means two triangles are said to be congruent if two angle and one side are equal. That means two triangles are congruent if any two pair of angle and one pair of corresponding sides are equal, then we may call it AAS. Okay, that means if it is like this way, suppose this one triangle and this one triangle. Here this one angle equal to this one angle, and this one angle equal to this one angle, and this one side equal to this one side, or this angle equal to this angle equal to this angle, this one side equal to this one side. Like this way, two consecutive angle, after that one side. Then these two triangles are said to be congruent by what criteria? AAS, angle side. Okay, this one you can take to show the congruence of two triangle by which one criteria? AAS means angle side. That means here we discuss three criteria. One is side angle side. This one side angle side. Another is angle side angle, and this one also we can take AAS means angle side. With the help of these three criteria, we have to solve this exercise 7.1. Okay. Now we will discuss exercise 7.1. In exercise 7.1, here given in quadrilateral ACBD. In this quadrilateral, here AC equal to AD and this AB bisect angle A. That's why angle CAB equal to angle DAB. Now we have to show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. And here given, what can you say about BC and BD? Here BC equal to BD or not, we have to show. Now we will prove this one sum. First we write given, because we have to write point wise. You have to draw the figure. After that we have to write here given in quadrilateral ACBD. Here AC equal to AD, AC equal to AD given, and angle AB bisect angle A. That's why CAB angle equal to angle DAB. This one equal and this one given. Now to show, what we have to show? Here we have to show triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. This triangle ABC and triangle ABD, we have to show these two triangles are congruent. And also, what can we say about BC and BD? Means BC and BD are equal or not equal, or what we have to see. Now procedure. First we have to show what? ABC triangle congruent to ABD. That's why we have to take in triangle ABC and another triangle what? Triangle ABD. Why we take these two triangles? Because these two triangles we have to show congruent. Now in these two triangles, here what given? Given already AC equal to AD. Here first one AC equal to AD. This one what? Given. We have to write the region. That's why this one given. And angle A bisect by angle B. Therefore this one angle equal to this one angle. Therefore angle CAB equal to angle DAB. This one also given. Why? Angle A bisect AB. Bisect AB. That's why these two angles are equal. This one also given. Now AB is the common side of these two triangles. Therefore AB equal to AB. Why? Common side of these two triangles. Therefore a side angle side. Therefore triangle ABC congruence to triangle ABD. By what criteria? SAS. Because side angle side. Now first one proved. This one part. First part we have shown. Now we have to show BC equal to BD. Now here these two triangles are ABC and ABD. These two triangles are congruent. If it is congruent, then what happened? BC equal to BD. Why? CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. That's why since triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD, this implies therefore BC equal to BD. Why? CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. That means second one also we have shown. Therefore here we have to show. That's why here we write shown. Do you understand? This is the sum.